The third challenge that we face in our support centers is a lack of integration among the various solutions that have evolved over time. Typically, we have a CRM solution to capture relationship history, an ERP application for billing, a standalone ticketing system, and some type of ACD for routing our phone calls. The problem is that none of these systems talk to one another. When a customer calls in, a support rep has to first ask the client their name and secondly search for the name in a CRM or ERP database instead of the system being smart enough to know who is calling. All the time that the rep is asking the client for their information, the client is waiting to explain the reason for their call. This is frustrating and inefficient for both the caller and the support department. I find that all of these issues that I've just mentioned are common among companies who are looking for an end-to-end solution for managing their back office and support centers. An end-to-end solution is a complete system that manages all customer interactions. No more point solutions. Everything you and your customers need is in one place. The data, the technology, and the tools. It's a solution that fosters customer satisfaction and retention. The end-to-end system should provide solutions for challenges of the support organization. The effectiveness of the support center is directly related to customer satisfaction. Support representatives who have access to critical data and need tools are more likely to provide excellent customer service than someone using multiple applications to accomplish a single task. A unified solution is when your CRM, ERP, quality control, support management, and interaction management are integrated and talking to one another. The most important aspect of a unified solution is the communication between applications so they act as a single solution. Here's an example of an integrated solution. A customer dials your toll-free number. The call is answered by an application which provides the caller with choices such as press 1 for sales, 2 for support, and so on. The caller selects an appropriate option and is routed into a queue. At the same time, a CRM application is able to search for this customer using the caller's phone number. The result is a screen pop of the customer data as the support rep is offered the call. As you can see in this example, the applications are sharing data to produce the required effect. A unified solution requires a single login without the need to open multiple windows and enter usernames and passwords several times. This is the case with the NetSuite contextual integration. There is no need to open separate programs, just one browser and one login, a great way to eliminate desktop clutter. Interaction management does not stop with a phone call. A good end-to-end solution provides multiple communication channels such as email, chat, voicemail, and phone calls. It provides support managers with the ability to compile metrics and report for all interaction types. The Support Center solution must provide tools to foster customer satisfaction and boost retention rates. It must provide your customers with communication choices and manage all types of communications based on your interaction rules. It must automate routine tasks such as access to customer case history, case creation, escalation processes, and speed dialing. It must provide personalized customer care options. Here's where the integration between the contact center and the back office system becomes paramount. You should be able to leverage CRM, ERP data to recognize and prioritize customers. You should be able to route interactions to the most skilled agent. The solution arms you with tools to provide excellent quality assurance through robust monitoring, recording, and reporting. You should be able to record and play back calls, and supervisors should have the ability to listen to calls in progress. As I previously stated, your customer care system must be integrated with your back office infrastructure. This empowers your support staff to provide excellent customer service without compromising quality. The solution must provide fully integrated case management, automated escalations, and support tools such as a knowledge base and desktop sharing. All of this functionality should be provided as one unified solution without the need to purchase and learn multiple products. Finally, the solution should not be a burden to deploy, learn, or use. Agents should be able to learn how to use the basic and advanced functionalities within a short period of time. It should facilitate day-to-day operations of the support center and not hinder productivity, as is the case with having to juggle multiple applications. At this point, you're probably tired of hearing me talk and want to see some action. I'm going to hand off to Lisa now for a live demonstration of the Contactual NetSuite integration product that provides the functionality that I just talked about. Lisa?
Thank you, Betty. Okay. What you're seeing on your screen right now is the Contactual Agent Interface. Just to reiterate what Betty and Sasha had touched upon, we are truly an on-demand contact center solution. Your agents can be sitting in the same building, different city, different country, different state. It doesn't matter where they're located. They simply need to have access to the internet and a phone. And we are, as an application, phone agnostic. So if you have sites with diverse phone systems, maybe some work-at-home agents, they can simply use their direct dial number, or if they're using a soft phone installed on their desktop PC, log in with their soft phone SIP URI and take calls for your company. Now, there's basically two components to the Contactual Agent Interface. On the left-hand side of the screen here, you'll see the control panel. And on the right-hand side, we have our toolbars with a few of our, what I like to call, housekeeping items. Before I get into talking about the control panel, I'd like to go in and show you the My Profile. This is what the bread and butter of our application. This is what gives your agents the ability to determine where they're going to be working from. You can see that my agent is Dean Martin, and he is using his direct dial phone number at the office. If he gets a call in the middle of the day and needs to go home, maybe his daughter got sick at work, he can simply click in this field, change that phone number, and he can be working from his home phone. He simply goes in, selects OK, and he now can work from home. Now, the screen you're looking at right now is Dean Martin, who's configured as a supervisor. With the supervisor interface, and I'm going to focus on the left-hand side here, I have visibility into my different team members that I supervise. I have my sales agent team that I'm in charge of. You can see that I can see the current status that they're in, as well as I can see how long they've been on that status. So it gives me the ability to actually look and manage my team. Now I'm going to actually bring up my agent interface, and you'll notice it has a little bit different look and feel. My agents can see the queues that they're assigned to, can see how many transactions are actually waiting in the various queues. And we are, as Betty mentioned, a multimedia interface. We take all of your touch points that you have and can offer your customers, whether it be phone calls, chats, emails, or voicemails that they've left for you, and route them into a single interface.